Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to add Facebook Pixel to WordPress. So, let's dive into it. On WordPress dashboard, click on the Plugins section in the left side navigation bar and click on the Add New Plugin option. Go to the search bar and search for Facebook Pixel and then press Enter. In the search results, you can see several plugin options to install. I will choose Pixel Your Site with 4 lakh plus installations, with good ratings, and mainly compatible with my version of WordPress. Click on the Install Now button and after its installation tab on the Activate button to activate it. The Pixel Your Site will be available in the side navigation bar. Click on it to open. Next, on the Pixel Your Site page, go to the General section and tap on Click for Settings button next to Facebook. Next, scroll down, and in the Meta Pixel ID section, paste the Pixel ID you copied from your Facebook Pixel. There you have it. Thanks for watching.